Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I will share about the Infosys certifications. First of all, they are absolutely free. Second, you also get a certificate on which Infosys's name is also written. Third, you don't need to devote much time to them. These can be completed in 3 or 4 hours. Fourth, you can also complete them from your phone. And fifth, most of the students don't know about them. So let me share about the Infosys Springboard platform and the Young Professional Certifications by Infosys. Basically, this is an initiative by Infosys under which they make courses for the youth to impart digital skills. On the homepage of this platform, you will see many moving images on the top. In this, almost at number 4 or 5, there was a mention of the Young Professional Certifications. When you clicked on it and would found out that Infosys has launched 7 such certifications in a variety of fields, through which you can get to know about the niche industries and how technology can be used in them. You can gain knowledge on that front. So these are 7 certifications: Python, Java, Banking, Internet of Things, IoT, Retail, Capital Markets, and Healthcare. The interface of this platform is a bit slow. What that means is that your progress is not updated instantly. It takes time. The best thing is that these are absolutely free, and due to the mention of Infosys on the certificate, it will also add a lot of value to your profile. So because of these reasons, I wanted to share these certifications with you. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.